Hey guys, Paul Dexter here. Well, this week I'm on a bit of a road trip. I'm obviously not in Southern California because it's green and there are trees everywhere. I'm meeting with some Jetbuilt folks, old and new, as well as some potential. I'll talk about some things AV, and here we go. Most of you guys know that I'm a car guy. And of course, when you're renting a car and they ask you if you want a convertible, there's only one answer to that question.
Eastbound and down, loaded up and trucking. Are we gonna do what they say can't be done? We've got a long way to go and a short time to get there. I'm eastbound, just watch no bandit run.
So it's been a great trip. I've had great visits with folks already using Jetbuilt, which is something I try to do as often as I can. I learned so much about the way they're using Jetbuilt, and since everybody's process is different, we're able to really find better ways to do things beyond what I envisioned for Jetbuilt a few years back. And so we're continuing to grow Jetbuilt to be the best it can possibly be. And so a trip like this really helps to do that. I have some updates for you though. We've launched attaching project management tasks to the coffee email. So now every morning you will see the status, like the next week's tasks, whether they're assigned to you or if you're a project manager, those that are assigned to others. You'll also see overdue tasks in addition, and those are highlighted in red. So we're already getting some great comments on that. That's been something we really needed to do, and we're happy to have gotten that done. Another thing is we've changed the look of the options and service packages pages of proposals. So it now looks like this when it's anything optional, like an option or a service package. That's helping your clients identify the difference between rooms and these optional packages. Finally, we've now given you the preference setting for operating labor in minutes, hours, or price. So you can go to your company settings if you're an admin and make your selection there, and then every time you're working inside the project, as well as the rest of your team is working inside of the project, and will always work in hours. You'll still have the ability on an item by item basis to flip it to minutes, price, or whatever you like, but it will always stay in the position that you set it. So that's it for new functionality. We are testing some really powerful features for you that will be rolling out in the next few days. Also, we are building a lot more of the project management functionality that'll be rolling out in the next couple of weeks. So a lot of good things to come. So stay posted. Until next time, guys, thanks so much. Paul Dexter.